Open the glove box. Remove the dampener cord from the glove box. Push in on both sides of the glove box to release the stops.
Unclip the two tabs and slide the filter housing door to the right to remove it.
Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Insert your new filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down.
To reinstall the housing door, hook the right side into its catch, then reclip the tabs.
Reinstall the glove box by relatching the hinges. Some carefully applied pressure on the base sides will have it click into place. Partially close the glove box to re-engage the stoppers. Reinstall the dampening cord. Close the glove box.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.